these two chasing each other. It's like a game, it's like they're playing a game. Chasing each other round and round. You get two little blue tits. Before anybody else gets there. Where's his mate? Yeah, right above him now. Yep, there at it again. And around. That's what they've been doing for the last minute or two. Just chasing each other round and round like it was a game or anything else. None of the other birds are here at the moment. He's gone off into the wood. Blowy out there today. The long tits are here. They're the cutest little things. Fellas. I can hear them too. Mr. Rob Bell in the background. Not an irrelevant present around here. I've done a little bit more film of some of the defences that were built around Southampton. Watch out, Mr. Natch. Yes, Mr. Robin is watching you very closely.